Hi guys, Miggy Make It Go here. Today I'm going to be putting together the outfit for Daphne Blake from Scooby Doo. I've already made videos on painting the shoes that she wears and sewing her scarf, so if you want to have a look at those, there'll be a link in the description and hopefully on the screen. So this is Daphne. As you can see, her outfit consists of a purple dress with lavender stripes on it, a green scarf, lavender shoes with little arrow decals on them, a lavender headband, orange hair, and then of course I needed a bag for the day and there was also makeup. So the crafting part of this video starts with the headband and painting the stripes on the dress. I'm going to paint this headband. So I've got one thick headband, it's made of fabric. I've got this Deco Art Crafters Acrylic, which is acrylic paint. I've got it in the lavender colour, and a paintbrush. So the first thing I'm going to do is just shake this up and paint the headband. I did 3 coats of paint on the headband, really making sure that the paint got into all the little nooks and crannies. I did do a really light 4th coat just on areas where I thought it was a little bit patchy. I'm going to use this same Deco Art Crafters acrylic paint in lavender to paint the stripes on the dress. So the first thing I've done is I've just marked a line in pencil 2.5 centimeters from the bottom of the dress all the way around. I'm going to paint that first. Now, because this is a different style of dress than the one that Daphne wears, I'm actually going to put the dress on and figure out where I want that second stripe. I started doing the stripes on the dress using sellotape to get a straight line, and I deliberately made the width of the stripe smaller than what I thought, just to see if it would give me that clean edge and how big I really wanted it. Once I was happy with that, I put the dress on and I ended up marking out something like this, and then I started painting the dress. I did this over a couple of weeks, to be honest, and that was because I just made sure that it was fully dry before I turned the dress over and painted the other side. I ended up doing 3 coats on each area. Some of the sellotape made the line not quite so straight, but in the end I was happy with the result. I've already got quite long hair, so I actually ended up finding some orange hairspray. I used 2.5 cans. I did a test before the day and I really loved how it was. I then just clipped my hair up in a little bit of a fringe and popped the headband on and I was good to go. I needed a bag to take with me and I found this one, which is actually a Thai airline bag. It was like $2.50 at the thrift store. I also had my nails done to match what Daphne would have. When I was doing my makeup, I didn't film it, but basically I just did a simple base, black eyelashes, a little bit of black eyeliner. I used purple eyeshadow and tried to wing the eyeshadow out a little bit, dark eyebrows, and if I was able to, I probably would have put falsies on. As I was getting ready for the actual event that I needed to go to, I got dressed in the dress and then I put a white t-shirt over the top. White's probably not the colour you want, but that's what I had. So just a large t-shirt over the top, did my hair and makeup, and then took the t-shirt off. I still managed to get orange hairspray everywhere, and throughout the day it just got on everything. It wasn't too bad though, and it washed straight out that night. This is the final result, and here's me with the rest of the Scooby gang. The day was fantastic, and we definitely won People's Choice Award for Best Dressed, even if we did not actually win the Best Dressed prize. But we had such a great time, and there was actually 2 other Scooby gangs, and to be honest, our costumes were by far the best. Please check out our other videos on crafting, DIY and general advice. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see what else we've been up to. If there's anything you want to suggest us to film, let us know in the comments below. Thanks. Bye.